Hi everyone, today I wanted to share my scissor hands that I made. Yes, they are wearable, and I tried to make them as screen accurate as possible. Little history, Stan Winston Studios created these scissor hands for Johnny Depp in Tim Burton's Edward Scissorhands film, and him and his team did a beautiful job. I tried very hard to make them as screen accurate as possible, and I decided to place them on a display like Stan Winston Studios did when they were auctioned off. So I'll share with you the materials that I used. A pair of gardening gloves from the dollar store as the base. A pair of black belts to wrap around the wrists. Roses from the dollar store for the wires. And for the scissor hands, I used plastic bins. I used my own stencil which I drew to cut the scissors, which I spray painted with silver metallic spray paint. And I used acrylic paint to paint the gauntlets in the silver and gold. And I also used faux leather for the wrists. All glued together with hot glue, basically. And for the scissor handles, I used scissors from the dollar store, which I used clay to give it more of an antique look, and I painted them. And for the base, I used wood, which I had to cut and glue together with wood glue. And the sticker I had custom made. And there you have it, a pair of scissor hands. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me below, and I'll do my best to answer whatever questions you may have. So yeah, if you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll be adding more videos of some of my creations and costumes if you like. Have a great day.